everyone, this is Mr. V, your math analyst. And today we are going to define three concepts that are very important in solving application problems in trigonometry. The concepts are angle of elevation, angle of depression, and bearings. So let's start. Let's define first what an angle of elevation is and what is an angle of depression. And basically the definition is exactly the same for both. I'm going to just read what I have. Angle of elevation and angle of depression both are the measure of space between the line of sight and the horizontal line. And possibly those words doesn't make sense for you. So let's see a drawing that describes what the angle of elevation is. So as you can see here, notice that we have our observer. No, this is the eye of our observer, and this observer is seeing a bird. Okay, the horizontal line is the line that is completely horizontal. No, so basically the measure of space, this angle that is here between the line of sight and the horizontal line, is the angle of elevation, and we call it angle of elevation because it is above the horizontal line. So basically the difference between angle of elevation and angle of depression is that the angle of depression is the same definition, it has the same definition, but the line of sight is below the horizontal line. So here we have the observer is watching or is observing a boat that is here. No, the observer possibly is on a cliff, and basically the line of sight between the observer and the horizontal line, this space that is here, this is what we call the space here, is what we call the angle of depression. So those are the two concepts of angle of elevation and angle of depression. Let's go now to bearings. Okay, so the definition of bearing is this one that we have here. It's an angle whose reference is the vertical line. So it's not the horizontal line in this case, it's the vertical line, and it is measured in a clockwise manner. Okay, so here I brought an example. It says a boat travels with a bearing of 120 degrees. So this point that you see here, this is the origin. Okay, and it says that is with the bearing. So this is the original position of the boat, and the boat is going to travel with a bearing of 120 degrees. So if this is our vertical line, and here we have the north, from here we start measuring 0 degrees, and basically the bearing is going to be, so here we have 90, and here possibly, so from here to here we have 120 degrees. So basically the boat is going to be traveling in this direction. So that is the concept of bearing. So again, is a measure of an angle, but now from the vertical line. We're going to be working with these concepts in the next lesson, which is applications of trigonometry. So I hope that you can review them, and this helps you to clarify those doubts. So now it is clear what is the definition between angle of elevation, angle of depression, and bearing. And I hope this video is very useful for you to make the difference, or to see the difference between one and the others. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you can share this with someone that probably is dealing with these concepts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, give a like, and please continue supporting our videos. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.